Good morning, dear students. Today we will read the chapter Hina's Determination from your English Reader book, the unit where there is a will. Yes, Hina's determination. Determination means the quality of having firmly decided to do something, even if it is very difficult. मीन्स कठिन स्थिति के बावजूद किसी काम को करने का संकल्प मीन्स दृढ़ निश्चय. This is an interesting story of a little girl, Hina, who came back to school and she was very sad. She buried her face and began to cry. Why she was crying? Because she got 10th position in class after working so hard for the examination. Her mother consoled her to make her feel better. So, mother started telling the stories of great personalities. At first, she told her about the famous personality of Winston Churchill, who was the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Then, Thomas Edison, who was the great scientist, and Abraham Lincoln, of the President of America. Let us read the story. There, said Hannah, flinging her school bag down on the kitchen table. I'm never going to try again. Why? What has happened? Hannah asked mother. The teacher has put up the exam results today, and again I'm 10th in the class. I really worked hard to be the topper of this time. Hina buried her face in her hands and began to cry. Cheer up, said mother, coming over to Hina's side and putting an arm around her. How can I? I'm always getting a low rank. I simply can't get to the top. I have never had a prize, and I suppose I will never have one. I'm just stupid. That's what I am. And I have never been any good at all, wept Hannah. You know, Hannah, determination and the will to achieve your goal can work wonders. Her mother consoled. Let me tell you a story. You have heard of Winston Churchill, the great wartime Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Yes, said Hina. When he was in school, he performed so badly that his teachers gave up on him. But he didn't give up. He spent extra time over his studies and later the world recognized him as a great man. Yes, of course, Hina agreed. Let me tell you more, continued mother. Have you heard of Thomas Edison? Yes, he was the scientist who has given so many inventions and discoveries to the world. That's right. But when he was in school, his teacher has expelled him from school, saying that he was a slow learner and suggested that he should be sent to a school for slow learners. But he was genius. Hannah was surprised. He was, indeed. He was determined too. He studied at home, and when he needed money for his studies, he sold newspapers and sweets on the train. That's a lot of courage and willpower. Hannah was beginning to brighten up. Yes, the key to his success was the desire to be successful and determination to fulfill this desire. Desire means wish. Then there was Abraham Lincoln. He was so poor a child that he worked during the day and studied under the street lamp at night. His hardship didn't discourage him. He kept on trying till he succeeded in becoming the President of America. Mother explained. Perhaps there is hope for me yet. A smile began to curl around the corners of Hannah's mouth, and her eyes twinkled. But the top girls and boys seemed so bright. Hannah said doubtfully. They always get good marks and answer so much more quickly than I can. Maybe, mother said, but remember the story of the tortoise and the hare. It isn't always the fastest that gets there first. Yes, it's not always the fastest, but the one who is determined and has the will that wins, said a changed and determined Hannah. And mom, now I understand why my teacher insists that where there is a will and there is a way.